Hello there, you guys. Today I'm going to be feeding my cicada tortoise a watermelon rind. Now let's see how it does. There you go, buddy. A little hissy today. And he looks like he's going to eat it. Oh gosh. Oh, he missed. He's missing. He's trying. Oh, he's going to get the inside. Here. Alright, there you go. There you go. A bite of a tortoise is quite powerful. Oh, look at that. He just took a bit out of the rind. It's okay, buddy. Calm down. You don't need to go crazy on the watermelon. Whoa, he's going crazy. You know, let me set this up, guys. Oh, careful, buddy. He's going crazy at the watermelon. Don't go that crazy, buddy. Jesus. Stop. He keeps bunking his head into the watermelon. He's like rushing it, like not even. He's trying to eat it. Oh, there he goes. He got it. Oh, he actually got a big bite. Holy crap. This guy takes some powerful bites. Oh. He got a bite. Oh, jeez. He's got another one. He's gonna eat the whole watermelon. He has some powerful bites, man. There he goes. Wow. Just for my cicada tortoise. Just gonna fill him up today. That probably means that he's gonna take a big poop in his cage. Oh, he missed that bite. The bite's like so loose, but he needs to get the beak. Oh, I think he's got it. Wow, this watermelon has some serious damage to it. Imagine what this did to your finger. This would be some serious, massive damage. Like, wow. They do get pissy, though. I cannot lie. They do get mad. Oh, there he goes. He took another bite. Gosh, this thing has a powerful bite. Alright, let's try it this side now. Let's see. Oh, he can't. He's having trouble eating it. There he goes. He's eating it. He's eating. Oh. That beak. That beak. My gosh. Oh. There's that beak point. Wow, these guys do have a powerful bite. Like, dang, this thing could probably like rip off my finger, dude. Like, wow. That's just a powerful bite. Let's let him swallow it a little bit more. So I really do not want to choke my tortoise. That would be really sad. He just cannot stop eating. This guy's a pig. Are you ready for your next bite? Here he goes. I'm just hand feeding him this piece. Alright, let's do the other side. Look how much bite there is, though. Oh my god. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, calm down, calm down, calm down. Wow! This guy does a massive damage to this watermelon. Just look at that. That's freaking epic, dude. Woo! Whoa! That's so loose, dude. You could easily, like, bite that off. You've almost gotten it off, buddy. Oh yeah, you got it off. Hang on a second. Whoa, whoa, he's getting crazy. He's getting crazy. Oh my god. Crazy. Oh! Crap. I'm gonna back up real quick. Hang on. Crap. That's crazy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's going crazy. He's going crazy. Oh my god. Calm down, buddy. It's okay. These bites hurt really bad. I think he's missing. Hang on. Hang on, Took. Hang on. God. 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 Stop. 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 He's eating. Alright, hang on, buddy. Back up. Back up. Okay, calm down. Ow. Jeez. He's getting out of control. Jeez. He's going way too fast for me. Calm down. Oh god. Jeez, these things have powerful bites. Oh my god. He's literally just pulled that out of my hand right now. He just took that out of my hand. Jeez. That thing has a powerful bite, though. Look at this. Let me help you out, buddy. There you go. He just... Oh my gosh. This thing's a pig, you guys. Alright, guys. So remember to subscribe. Turn on your notifications to be sure. Peace out. This will be it.